Good morning, y'all, and happy Friday. It is pajama day today. So literally 5 days left in our countdown. I'm here at Starbucks to get me something to drink and eat this morning as we have parents coming in to read with their kids. Normally it was hot chocolate, but I guess the hot chocolate thing was a whole mess. And it was, because the hot chocolate would either be on the floor, it would get spilt, or yeah, the Lord only knows. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna grab my Starbucks and then head on to work.
Anything else for you today?
No, thank you.
I'm sorry?
No, thank you. So yeah, not much planned today. I am gonna run to CVS after work to grab some detergent so I can finish up our laundry, and then probably tomorrow after breakfast I will run to Kroger just to do a quick pickup order for, you know, the weekend or whatever. I just have to figure out what it is I actually really want to make. So yeah, but PJ Day, we all did the Old Navy pajamas when they were $5, except we had already gotten them before they did, me and the one that I work with, and so they just end up having to buy them. I picked one up for my coworker because she was out of town that weekend and she didn't want, you know, it to be sent back. So I said, you know what, everybody already has these basically, and they're $5. Let's do these. I got the shirt to go with it. I'll share with you guys. Maybe we can do like a group photo. And then yeah, they're actually really comfy. I'm not cold. I actually have the socks to go with it. They were $3. And then, like I said, the shirt was $5 and my pants were $10 at the time when I got them, because we got them at regular, like not regular price, but kind of somewhat off. But anyways, let me get this iced gingerbread chai and my cheese Danish and the potato and cheddar chives. Talk to y'all later. All right, y'all, I am off of work. Oh my goodness, what is she doing? I'm heading over to CVS to grab that detergent, and then I am going home. So Charles has basically made it home with me, I guess you can say, and yeah. So I'm gonna go home and figure out some groceries for the weekend, and I guess I will go pick them up tomorrow. I was supposed to thaw out that ground turkey to make turkey meatloaf tonight, but forgot. I really got to clean this windshield. Like, you guys can't see it, but I can, and I can barely see out of it. One in the back, use the wipe down too. It's just from all like of the snow, ice and stuff like that. Y'all, believe it or not, these little $4 or $5 bottles of Tide, they come in handy. The reason why I say they come in handy is because for $4 or $5, I'm literally like able to wash, you know, like 2 weeks worth of clothes and not have to worry about going back to get any more for like 2-3 weeks. So, I mean, on the average, I do wash about 4 loads a week, so it's not much, but like I said, helpful to get the small ones, because if I do the big ones, I tend to use more. Oh boy. All right, now that I am home, Chuck just walked in, but y'all, I'm gonna do some cleaning today, and yeah. y'all, as a teacher, I collect so many kids' books, but I'm also into reading, you know, my kind of books. So I sorted my books by, if they're by the same author, but also like, if they're seasonal and if they're children's books. Other than that, I really gotta find me like a nice bookshelf to start putting these on. Went through my boots, got rid of I think one pair, but the rest of them I definitely need. I have like a tan pair of boots, I have a black pair of boots, and then I have a brown pair of boots. But I also have my like duck boots, and I have those in plaid and cheetah. All right, y'all. So I just got to Jimmy John's and picked up our order. Y'all, when I got back in the car from Food Line, my damn handle came out. Not all the way out, but like out. And I couldn't get it to go back in. And yeah, so I had to get in on my passenger side. I'm gonna have to get that fixed ASAP because I can't maneuver in and out. Oh, it just drives me nuts. It's the weather, you know, like the other morning with pulling on the, you know, trying to open up the door. Not pulling on it, but like gently trying to open it, and then boom, this is the problem. So it's just one extra problem I really didn't want. But I got some stuff out of Food Lion to last us, and then it is what it is. I'm just trying not to be in and out of the vehicle on my side if I really don't have to, because now I have to ask my grandfather to see if his cousin can fix that. All right, y'all, it's 11:30. I am exhausted. I'm gonna have to finish putting this stuff underneath the bed tomorrow, but me and Chuck are supposed to make breakfast. So, yeah. All right, so I bought my dresses out here, the shorts, skirts, and I'm just kind of, this is going to go under the bed. I did put to the side clothes that I've never worn before that could be used on vacation instead of buying new ones every single year, and then, of course, adding to what I have. Now, this is some winter stuff that can be hung up in the closet, and then I have clothes that need to be put away, blankets that need to be put away, and then I need to finish going through my pants and figure out what I'm doing with this. That right there is for Goodwill. Clothes I'm giving to Caitlin along with some books she can read. I'm going to take this to work to get fixed. I only wore it one time, and when I took it off, the strap broke, so I'm using safety clips to pin it. That way they can just fix it. So at work, the kids can come to the iSTEM room, and they can help with fixing stuff. So you can bring like a hat that you want fixed or whatever. They can try and fix it. But with that, they can use the sewing machine to help fix that. And then I can just put that back in the container. So breakfast was really good. We had grits, we had sausage, we had eggs. As you guys can see, here's the ending result. And we also had fat back. Now, when I eat fat back, I only eat the soft piece. I don't do the hard piece. And I had made me a iced coffee, which was amazing. I might honestly make me another one. But my plan is to get this stuff out of here to Goodwill today. My plan is to also get trash gone and not pile up a bunch of dishes. I'm really trying to finish up so I can just sit down and relax, edit, and chill. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. Finally made it halfway through the book. Tickets are ordered. We got them for $7.99 the day before Christmas Eve, girls' night, 7:15 p.m. The book just got good. I literally am halfway through the book. I actually sat down and read today, so I'm gonna read a couple hours tomorrow, and then I would say I'll be done with it before Friday, as long as I just spend more than 30 minutes reading a day.